We are very glad that you use our China double-made paper cutting machine. When the machine arrived at your factory, open the wooden case. Before installation, the operator should read carefully the English menu to ensure the precision and long life using. Disassemble only one Titan iron board between the main machine and the work table. Use the two rings installed on the work table sides screw hole. Then use the rope to tie the work table. Then disassemble the other Titan iron board between the main machine and the work table. Put the work table on the two wooden blocks, which should be not less than 150 mm. Then turn over the work table to make the work table's face up. At this time, the travel switch, proximity switch, ball screw gear and encoder under the work table's bottom should not be crashed. Please check all the spare parts with the spare parts list and check carefully whether the machine is broken or not when shipment. Before suspending the main machine, please disassemble the Titan nuts. And then suspend the main machine on the prepared strong even ground. The main machine should be kept balanced. When install the work table, please suspend the work table in balance. Then carefully put the work table into the main machine hole fraction from the main machine's back. The button, gear and encoder under the bottom of the work table should not be crashed. The position pin on the main machine crossbeam should aim at the position hole under the work table. Then use the supporting bar hold the work table. Tighten the work table bolt. Clean the work table and every spare part. Install the bare work table two-side bevel board. Install the two bevel board with concave close to the paper clamp and face the concave outside. The bevel board and the work table face should be vertical. Adjust the front and back related to bolts on the main machine crossbeam. Please keep the side bevel board of the work table should be vertical with the cutting line. And then tighten the work table board after adjusted. Install the subsidiary work table's bevel board. And then install the subsidiary work table installing position board on the front work table 2 sides bottom. Connect the subsidiary work table face with main work table and face. Tighten the bolt. When install photocell, the plug should connect with socket. The left photocell should be parallel with the right photocell. Both the left photocell and the right photocell should be fixed. Install the foot plate with bolts. Insert the air pipe on the subsidiary work table bottom. Insert the air plug under the work table bottom. Air pump plug. Servo motor plug. The connecting wire of the servo motor should be put in the wire groove under the work table bottom. Fix the glass cover on the bare work table. Fix the cutting stick into the work table. According to each machine model and oil amount on the English menu, add the related machine model, oil and amount. Factually view the oil position on the oil mark. The oil position should not be lower than oil mark middle position. Add the number 46 mechanical oil with manual pulling type oil club. Lubricate all the needed lubricating position. If it is the lithium base grease oil cup, please add the lithium base grease oil with the yellow oil gun. The electric system uses 380 voltage, 3-phase, 50 Hz. The electric wire should be more than 4 square millimeter copper wire and enter from the plug. After finish the above process, check whether all the screw and bolt is tightened. After check, rotate the switch from O to I position. The machine connected with the power. Rotate the key. The computer is open. Press the main machine start button. The main motor rotates. At this time, please have a look whether the running direction of the belt wheel is concrete with the mark of the protection cover. Press the air pump start button. The air pump starts to blow air out. Rotate the light switch. The light is open. Press Enter button and it will enter. At this time, the system will automatically start. The paper sander will automatically move backwards. Press footplate to check whether the paper clamp runs well up and down. If the paper cannot be cut off, please follow the below steps. Turn the change switch on the knife changing position. Rotate the long hand bolt into the flywheel and use the rotating handle to rotate the knife seat down. Rotate the wacktable holding bar to make the wacktable and knife seat shape 90 degrees. Unload the long handle bolt and return to its position. If the paper still cannot be cut off, rotate the knife seat eccentric shaft. Make the knife and the cutting stick parallel. The above runs well. Press the cut buttons with the double hands. If recycle is normal, it can start to work. Test the cut paper off again to see whether the Wactable bevel board and the cutting knife shape are 90 degrees. If there are mistakes, the left and the right is different. Please adjust the bolt to make the Wactable bevel board and the cutting knife shape a 90-degree angle. After adjustment, lock bolts and press fast send button to send paper front. With the above methods, then cut paper again to check whether the left and the right distance from the paper sender to the knife is same. If the distance is still different, please adjust the machine with the following methods. Loose the 4M12 bolts and 1M10 bolts. If there are still different, rotate M20 bolt to make the left upper crossbeam move front and back. After adjustment, lock all the bolts. If the knife is grounded and it cannot cut the cutting stick, please adjust the machine with the following operation. Turn the function change switch on the knife changing position. Use the long handle bolt and the rotating handle to move the knife seat to the lowest point. Rotate the adjusting bolt on the knife seat pulling bar. To make the knife cut into the cutting stick 0.5 mm and lock the two sides bolts. Rotate the handle to make the knife seat move up and down one time or twice. Unload the long handle bolt and put the cap on the rotating handle. Put the button on the cutting position. When test paper cutting, if the upper paper is different from the bottom paper, please adjust the machine with the following methods. Loose 2 M16 bolts and M12 bolt. If the paper sander has a bigger than 90 degree with the Wactable face, please anti-clockwise rotate the M12 bolt. If the degree is less than 90 degrees, please clockwise rotate the M24 bolt. After adjustment, lock all the bolts. If the operator cuts the soft paper, please put the magnetic steel under the knife to avoid pressing broken the paper. Now the operator set automatic paper cutting. When cutting paper, if the photo cell is hidden by anything, the cut will stop. When unload the blade, please pay attention to the following points. Turn off all the buttons. Put the function change switch on the knife changing position. Use the long handle bolt and the rotating handle to move the knife seat to the lowest point. First, disassemble the knife loading bolt on the left. Move the knife seat to the highest point. Put two wooden knife changers under the blade. At last, unload all the bolts from the left. Rotate the T-shaped handle clockwise to let the blade insert into the knife changer. Tight the knife loading handle. Move the blade front. The above is knife unload process. The knife loading process is in the other way round. After knife changed, please use the rotating handle rotate the flying wheel to make the knife seat move one time or twice. After checking well, disable the long handle bolts and the rotating handle. At last, turn the function changing switch to the cutting position. All the alarm board on the machine should be kept clean and meet all the alarm operation. Please do not break the rules. Please do not tear the alarm mark. Please add lubricate oil to all the needed lubricate position every day before operating the machine. Thanks very much to use our double-made paper cutting machine. If you have any improved idea for our paper cutting machine, please feel free to advise us. Technical security notice. Our paper cutting machine is a single-person design operated. It cannot be operated by more than one people. Other people also cannot enter the paper cutting zone. After install the machine, please connect it to earth. Please first put off the power before clean, maintain, adjust or add oil. The knife changing operation should be done by trained operator. Moreover, please turn the function changing switch from the cutting position to the knife changing position when install the new blade. Please choose the first row screw hole from the pointer of the knife as installing hole. Manual rotate the worm wheel to make the knife seat move up and down one time or twice to avoid accident. Our paper cutting machine is suitable to cut paper and a softer material like cardboard. If the machine is used to cut special material like aluminum, hard cardboard material, it must be confirmed by the manufacturer with letter agreement. If it is not passed letter agreement from the manufacturer, it is not allowed to change programmable software. It is not allowed to do any change to the mechanical electric parts of the paper cutting machine.